Welcome to the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef, or the GBR, is one of the most biological diverse ecosystem on the planet, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia. The reef system stretches over 2,300 kilometers and is composed of more than 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. The Great Barrier Reef has immense historical and cultural significance not only for Australia but also for the world. And the Great Barrier Reef is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the planet's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. The reef is home to an extraordinary diversity of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of corals, and countless other creatures such as sea turtles and more than 30 species of whales and dolphins, making it one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Why is the reef so special? Coral reefs are able to support diverse ecosystem, filter in the water, and create oxygen when they have clean, clear, and cool water to support them. The Great Barrier Reef plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems and the global climate. The coral structures act as natural barriers protecting coastlines from storm surge and erosion. However, the reef faces several severe threats, primarily from human activity and climate change. Rising ocean temperature due to global warming have caused wind spread and coral bleaching, where corals expel the symbiotic algae that give them their color and provide essential nutrients. Without the algae, the corals become vulnerable to disease and over time may die. These are some of the efforts for conservation and preservation. The Australian government, along with the various organizations and communities, are making significant efforts to preserve and conserve the Great Barrier Reef. The first one is addressing climate change. The Queensland Climate Action Plan and the Queensland Energy and Jobs Plan aim to increase renewable energy and reduce emissions. Second is the land-based management actions. The Queensland government is working with farmers to improve land management practices and reduce water pollution. Lastly is the tourism industry. The tourism industry is also playing a role in reef conservation. The Tourism Management Action Strategy outlines how tourism activities are managed to minimize impacts on the reef. Safeguarding the Great Barrier Reef in Australia requires a multi-faceted approach that addresses the various threats it faces. One possible solution is to reduce carbon emissions and transitions to renewable energy sources, which would help and mitigate the impacts of climate change on the reef. Supporting climate reliance coral reefs through research and restoration efforts can also help the reef adapt to changing climate. Improving water quality is also crucial, and this can be achieved by reducing land-based pollution, improving wastewater treatment, and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Establishing and expanding marine protected areas can also help and protect the reef's biodiversity and ecosystem function. Coral reef restoration efforts, including coral nurseries and reef reconstruction, can also help replenish damaged or degraded areas of the reef. Raising awareness and engaging local communities, tourists, and industries in reef conservation effort is also crucial. Supporting indigenous Australian involvement in reef management and conservation can also provide a valuable insight and perspectives. Safeguarding the Great Barrier Reef requires a collaborative effort from governments, industries, and communities and individuals. By working together and implementing the solution and recommendation, we can help protect the reef for future generations and preserve its natural beauty, biodiversity, and economic importance. The fight's not over. In fact, it's only just begun.